Hi friends, my name is Usmansheikh, and in this lecture we are going to configure the IP addresses over interfaces of over different interfaces of a router, and check the status of interfaces of router. So I'll take a router and go into the CLI mode. First of all, I will see there go into the CLI mode, and its loading is time now. uh, Enable, and I will put there show IP interface brief. It's a command which is used for seeing the status of interfaces of router. You can see there is only one interface, which is fastnet 0/0, and it is turned. There is no IP assigned on it. First of all, I will add more interfaces in my router, like as a serial interfaces and Ethernet interfaces. I will select NM40 having 4 Ethernet interfaces, and I'll put into it. It will show me error. You can see cannot add module when the power is on. So first of all, I will power off the module and add again into it. It will add, and I will add the two serial interfaces weak IT, weak quantity, to interface serial interfaces in it, and power on my router. You can see that it's loading. Put and now enable and show IP interface brief. It's a command to show the status of interfaces of router. You can see there was only one fastnet 0/0, but I have to add 6 interfaces, more 6 interfaces in it. You can see there is no IP assigned on these. There is no IP assigned on these ports, and the protocols are done. So now I'm going to first of all configure, and I assign IP over serial interface. So I'll call the global configuration mode. Global configuration mode is used for configuring the device, and all of the configuration done on this mode. So I'll put interface serial 0/0, no shutdown. By default, all of the interfaces of the router are shut down. I'll put there no shut command to power on, and I'll put IP address. I will put IP address, anyone address like as 10.0.0.1, and it's subnet mask 255.0.0.0. Enter and exit. Now I'll see either is it applied on the interface or not. So I will put show IP interface brief. Enter. You can see the serial interface 0/0 having the IP address 10.0.0.1. Okay, now I'm going to configure fastnet of a router. So configure terminal interface fastnet 0/0 no shut, and you can see the change state to up. But when I put no shut command on serial interface, and change state to done. Why? Because there is no connectivity. Serial interface 0/0 have. That's why it's done. When there is any connectivity occur with it, then it will automatically state to up. Okay. State to up. No, I will assign IP address on my fastnet 0/0, anyone like at 192.168.1.1, and I will put the mask of subnet mask subnet mask of IP address exit. Now I will see is it applied or not. Show IP interface brief, and you can see that the Ethernet having the IP address 192.168.1.1. Okay, now I'm going to save all of my configuration. It's all configuration which is showing there. All of the configuration which is showing here is showing from RAM, which is non-volatile memory, and it loses its all of data when power cut occur when we restart the router. So I will save my all of configuration in NVRAM, non-volatile memory, and when I restart my router, then it will now lose its memory. Okay, there are two ways to save the configuration. First way is to write WR, write enter. All of my configuration save in it, but this command is not work in exam. So in exam we write copy running dash config space as startup dash config. The command is saying that the copy running data to startup to running configuration to startup configuration, and in this way it copies from running to startup from RAM to NVRAM, and press enter. Is showing is asking that the destination file name startup config, yes, enter. Okay, all of the data is configured in NVRAM and it's okay. Okay, we have to configure all our data in NVDAM. So thanks for watching, and inshallah next video I'll discuss some more topics. Thanks for watching.